Well, this is you are getting the picture of blizzard of 2011. As you can see, the snow was covering the front porch all the way to the door's height. And as I go around, that will give you some idea that how much snow, and it is only halfway through. We are supposed to have another 10 inches of snow for the rest of the day today. And as you will see, I have never seen so much snow in my life living in Chicago. And you will see my cars, the wheels are almost covered. The car is almost covered. If you go a little top view of the car, you can see the engine is visible, but by the time it is done, it will be covered fully. It's still blowing. My neighbor has been cleaning. Oh, it's too much. I have always taken pride in shoveling my snow. This time I did ask for his help.